Tēnā koutou katoa, Anton Matthews here from Fush. Thank you very much for joining us. Now, in this series of videos, we're going to be focusing on 10 kupu or words or phrases in te reo Māori that parents can learn and teach their children just to sort of normalise te reo Māori around the home, out in the playground, out at the supermarket, wherever. So if that's the sort of thing that you're interested in learning, then hang around and we'll catch up soon. Kia ora. Tēnā koutou katoa, nau mai hoki mai ki Everyday Te Reo Māori by Fush. Welcome back to Everyday Te Reo Māori by Fush. Oops, sorry, stumbled a wee bit there. Thank you very much for joining me. It's nice to have you. So, this is the last word in a series of videos about words and phrases that mātua, that parents can learn to teach their tamariki. So to round off this kaupapa, we might revisit it later on, but for now I think 10's enough. The phrase that I'm going to teach you today is āta haere. Āta haere, and there's some long vowel sounds in there. There's some macrons on top of some of those vowels. Āta haere, sorry, there's a truck starting up next to me. I hope you can hear me still. Āta haere means to go slow, take it easy, slow down. Okay, so as parents, our tamariki are constantly on the move, always on the move. They always seem to have about 100% more energy than we do, and sometimes they're like bulls out of a gate, going a million miles an hour. And sometimes that's all right, but sometimes you want to tell them just to slow down a little bit. Hey, just be careful. Okay, so you can kind of use this as a bit of a warning to be careful, but more. It means more like slow down and go slow. Āta haere. Okay, so they might jump out of the car and make a beeline for wherever it is that you're going, and you might say, hey, āta haere, slow down. Okay, there's a road up there, āta haere. So you can use it as a bit of a warning in that way. Or something might have happened and sibling number one is running to mama or papa to have a whinge or to have a tangi, be a bit of a tangi weto, and have a cry about something that sibling number two did, and they're rattling it off like a machine gun, a million miles an hour, and you might say to them, hey, āta haere, slow down, I can't understand you, āta haere. Okay, so that's the phrase I'm going to teach you today, āta haere. It means to slow down or to go slow, and it's a great it's a great phrase that as parents we should know to use with our tamariki. So teach them, normalise it around the home, have a wonderful day. Thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time on Everyday Te Reo Māori by Fush. Have a wonderful day. Ka kite anō. Kia ora koutou, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see heaps more just like this one, then don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Everyday Te Reo Māori by Fush, to see heaps more videos just like today's one. And don't forget that, normalising Te Reo Māori is about everyone just giving it a go, practicing, having a crack at speaking Te Reo Māori. So don't be afraid to use what you've learned here today, and probably the best thing you can do is find someone and teach them what you've learned today. So you sort of pass it on and normalise it that way. So look forward to having you back here next time. Have a wonderful day. Ka kite anō. Ciao.